Well, two bills moving through the Florida Legislature aim to make it easier to sue journalists for defamation, but it's likely more than just reporters who would be impacted. Our Aaron Parsegian explains.
This is House Bill 991. Supporters say it's meant to hold journalists accountable.
This bill could be entitled Journalism 101.
But legal experts say its impact could be even more wide-reaching, opening up everyday people to frivolous lawsuits over what they post online.
It puts a thumb on the scale, I would say, in favor of people bringing defamation lawsuits against anybody.
Jim Lake is a local attorney who specializes in defamation cases.
So it's not so much a change that singles out any one industry or another. It writes so broadly that it would help everybody file a lawsuit and pursue a lawsuit who wanted to.
That doesn't mean their case would necessarily win, but Lake believes it would make Florida a destination for defamation suits.
The way this law is written, it allows a claim to be brought anywhere in the state for something that's published on the internet. And it talks about suing over any one publication or utterance on the internet. So it could be as small as one comment that gets someone dragged into court.
Meaning anytime you post, comment, or share, you could potentially open a can of worms. Even the former president could see a lawsuit in Florida over his recent post about the Manhattan DA who's investigating him.
He called him a racist in reverse is the term he used.
If this district attorney wanted to sue over being called a racist, this law would allow him to sue anywhere in Florida, in any county, because it's on the internet. The law would assume that he was harmed as a result, and if he prevailed in that case, the law would entitle him to whatever damages a court decided, plus $35,000 plus his attorney's fees.
First Amendment advocates have taken exception to this bill and a similar one in the state Senate. Its sponsor, State Representative Alex Andrade, told the Washington Post that concerns are overblown. Saying in a committee meeting, this bill provides opportunities for people who are rightfully harmed by false statements to seek justice. We have more on the potential impacts of this bill on 10tampabay.com. Live in studio, Aaron Parsegian, 10 Tampa Bay.